Welcome to Roy's Academy. This is a complete e-learning solution for Olympiad, IIT-JEE, NEET Foundation, Competitive and Civil Service Foundation courses. This is an initiative by Roy's Academy Experts team. If you really like our e-learning courses, kindly like, subscribe, and share our channel. To get instant notification for new course video upload, kindly press the bell icon. Kindly share your valuable feedback and comments for our betterment and continual improvement.
Hello students, today we discuss about the joints. In Olympiad series, class 5 in science, chapter Skeletal and Muscular System. What are we going to learn? We are going to learn the following concepts. Joints. In this part, we will discuss about movable joint, type of movable joint like pivot joint, hinge joint, gliding joint, ball and socket joint, and immovable joint. Joints. The point where two or more bones join together is called a joint. Bones are held together by strong fiber called ligament. So, what is ligament? Bones are held together by strong fibers called ligament. Sorry. So, I repeat again. What is ligament? Ligament. Bones are held together by strong fibers are called ligaments. Our bones bend at joints. There are different types of joints in our body. There is type of joints. Joints in two types which are movable and immovable. In movable joint, there are pivot joint, hinge joint, gliding joint and ball and socket joint. Movable joints. Movable joints contain lubricating liquid that allows the movement of joints. Pivot joint, hinge joint, gliding joint, ball and socket joint are different types of movable joint. So, for the type of movable joint, there are pivot joint, hinge joint, gliding joint and ball and socket joints. Okay? There are details of four type of movable joints. Pivot joint. In this type of joint, the rounded surface of one bone fits into a ring formed by the other bone. This joint is found in between the neck and the head, which allows side to side and upward and downward of movement of neck. Okay, I repeat again. This joint is found in between the neck and the head. Where is found? It found between the neck and the head, which allows side to side and upward and downward movement of neck. Next is hinge joint. This joint works like hinges in the door, which moves the bones in one direction. It is found in our elbows, fingers, knees and toes. Next is gliding joint. This joint allows bones to glide over one to another. It is found in wrist, ankle and backbone. The gliding joint helps us to bend easily. Next one is ball and socket joint. This type of joint allows the maximum movement. So what type of joint allows us maximum movement? This is ball and socket joint. In this type, one bone that ends in a ball fits into the socket of the other. Shoulder and hip joints are the best example of this type of joint. Okay? Now we will discuss about the immovable joint. Joints present in our skull are the immovable joints in our body. Following are the examples of immovable joint. The, articulation between the teeth and mandible joint found between the first pair of ribs and the sternum. So I repeat again, the immovable joints finds in the articulation between the teeth and mandible. Between teeth and mandible, the joint found between the first pair of ribs and sternum. You look at this picture, that articulation between the teeth and mandible, we found the following of the immovable joints. What have we learned? We have learned the following concepts. Joints. In this type, we discussed about movable joint, type of movable joint, that's pivot joint, hinge joint, gliding joint, ball and socket joint, and immovable joint. Thanks for watching. We'll meet up in next videos. Thank you.
Thanks a lot for learning with Roy's Academy. If you really like our e-learning courses, kindly like, subscribe, and share our channel. To get instant notification for a new course video upload, kindly press the bell icon. Kindly share your valuable feedback and comments for our betterment and continual improvement. This is an initiative by Roy's Academic Experts Team. Roy's Academy, a complete e-learning solution for Olympiad, IIT-JEE, NEET Foundation, competitive, and civil service foundation courses.